Good morning students. In this class, I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus, 6th chapter triangles, exercise 6.5, third sum. In the given figure, so this is the given figure, ABD is a triangle, ABD, that is a triangle right angled at A. ABD is a triangle right angled at A and AC perpendicular to BD and AC perpendicular to BD. Show that AB squared is equal to BC into BD, AC squared is equal to BC into DC, AD squared is equal to BD into CD. So here we are asked to prove these three things. So we can use similarity criterions to prove the given thing. We know that if the triangles are similar, the sides are proportional. So we are going to use that property. Okay, so here we are getting three triangles, two smaller triangles and one bigger triangle. So whatever triangles we take, if we take two smaller triangles, they are similar to each other. Both are right angle triangles, so both are similar to each other. Same way, if we compare a smaller triangle and the bigger triangle, that is also similar to each other. If we take this triangle, that is similar to the bigger triangle. If we take this triangle, that is similar to the bigger triangle. So we are going to give the proof. We are going to show that whatever is they are asking, we are going to do it with the help of that only. So first thing is AB squared is equal to BC into BD. So we'll take this smaller triangle and the bigger triangle. Already we know that it is similar. With the help of that, we are going to prove it. So first one is, so solution is, we'll take triangle ABC is similar to triangle BAD. ABC is similar to triangle BAD, bigger triangle. So we need AB squared. So if we want AB squared, whatever sides we are taking, in both the sides, the proportional, we need to have AB. So in the smaller triangle, we'll take AB. So if we take this triangle, this is the right angle, this is 90 degree. So opposite to that, hypotenuse we'll take for the smaller triangle, that is AB by. For the bigger triangle, angle A is 90 degree. So the hypotenuse for that is BD is equal to. So we have taken. Then in the smaller triangle, we will take, again we need AB, then only we will get AB squared. That is, in the denominator we need AB. So this AB is the bigger triangle. In the bigger triangle, the denominator is the bigger triangle, numerator is the smaller triangle. Like that only we are taking the proportional sides. So BD, so here AB is the bigger triangle. So this is the bigger triangle. So this is a right angle. Adjacent to that side we have taken. So the same way, ABC is a right angle triangle and right angle that C here. So the adjacent side is BC. Adjacent side for like that we need to take. So when we cross multiply this, we will get AB into AB is equal to BD into BC. So we will get AB squared is equal to BD into BC. So AB squared is equal to BC into BD. So we have given the proof for the first one. So the same thing we have to do, we have to take for the second one also. In the same procedure we will take. So here AC squared it is taken. So we will take both the triangles, both the smaller triangles we will take. So both the smaller triangles are similar to each other. So triangle BCD is similar to triangle ACD. So both these triangles are similar to each other. So now we will take AC. So we will take AC. In this same way we will take, BCA, not BCD, BCA. So BCA is this triangle and ACD is this triangle. So in this we need BA. AC we need, AC squared we need. So AC side should be there on both the things. So AC by, so AC is the hypotenuse of this, that is the height of this smaller triangle. So in this triangle we will take this as 90 degree. So the same thing we will take 90 degree here. So on the other side, for this triangle, height is AC divided by, for this triangle, height is CD. Height is CD. That is, we will take it as DC. DC. Okay. So, the same way, on the other side, we need to have AC. On the other side, we need to have AC. That is for this triangle base. For this triangle base. So, for triangle ABC, base is BC. Like this, if you analyze and take, it will be easy for us. So, here AC into AC, AC into AC is equal to BC into DC. BC into DC. So, we get AC into AC is AC squared is equal to BC into DC. So, that is the thing we have to prove. AC squared is equal to BC into DC. So, 2 proves our rule. Then, the next one is AD squared. So, AD squared is equal to BD into CD. So, we will take this triangle, smaller triangle. So, ACD. So, triangle ACD is similar to triangle, the bigger triangle we will take BAD. BAD. Okay. So, in this we need AD square. So, we will take AD by. So, this ACD is smaller triangle. The other one is bigger triangle. So, for the smaller triangle we need AD. AD is the hypotenuse side. So, the same way hypotenuse of BAD is BD by BD is equal to. Here we need AD. That is, for the bigger triangle we need AD. So, the bigger triangle AD is the height. So, for the smaller triangle the height is AC. So, for this the height of this triangle is CD, not AC. CD is the height. For the bigger triangle height is AD. So, that is there in the denominator. Then, for the smaller triangle, ACD is first smaller triangle, then bigger triangle. So, for the smaller triangle, hypotenuse is AD, the bigger triangle hypotenuse is BD. Then, for the smaller triangle, height is CD, and for the bigger triangle, it is AD. Okay. So, we will get, so accordingly, we are taking this. So, in both these things, first numerator, it is a smaller triangle, denominator is bigger triangle. So, here also CD is smaller triangle height and AD is bigger triangle. Okay, smaller and bigger only we are comparing. So, we will get AD into AD is equal to BD into CD. So, we will get AD squared is equal to BD into CD. AD squared is equal to BD into CD. So, like this, whatever is the necessity, accordingly we have to take the proportional sides and do the sums. Whatever they are giving, we have to do like this only. Okay, thank you.